How to see account location on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the search bar you see on the bottom of your screen and further search for the account whose location you are trying to see, and once you have opened their profile, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the About This Account option. Tap on that and further under the Account Based In tab. You will be able to see that particular account's location. So, this is how you can see account location on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.